Thanks for stopping by and having a look at my video. I'm Yvonne from Pre-Designs. This is day 2 of my 12 days of Craftmas. Today I'm just going to show you how to make this very quick and easy little gift pocket. Here I've popped a little chocolate and a coffee bag inside just as a quick easy little gift. You could use it for a gift card or perhaps money or another chocolatey treat or something for just a nice easy little gift. To make it, it's very, very simple. You're going to need a square piece of cardstock or designer series paper. This is the Penguin Playmates, which was from our celebrations. It's now retired, but I'm sure you've got something in your craft stash. So this piece is a 6 inch by 6 inch or 15.3 by 15.3 piece of DSP. I'm going to turn it over because I want the critters to be on the outside. I'm just going to fold it in half diagonally. I'm just going to grab my bone scorer because I've left that behind me. And then just burnish it. If you don't have a bone scorer, just go along with your fingernail just to give it a really nice, even and a strong fold. Then you're going to bring one side up to meet the edge of the designer series paper. Using my bone scorer again, I'm just burnishing that fold. Then I'm simply bringing the other side up to meet the side of the DSP. Again, burnishing that to make it a nice easy fold or strong fold. And then I'm just bringing the top little pouch triangle down. And once again, burnishing that. And that is as easy as you can get to make a little pouch. And as I said, oops, I've just popped some little treats in there. Little tag on the front and a little bit of ribbon to just dress it up a little bit. Just nice and quick and easy. Thanks for stopping by.